Check out recperformance.com for all your wheel needs. We got you covered. As for Byron, it's the man right here. Nothing but high performance, high end wheels. This is baby right here. They do everything. Oh, my Porsche is in the dirt right now. I had to put that bad boy in reverse. Another one right here. Beautiful car. Car's loud. Fast too. See the mansion at the top. Beautiful day out here in Maryland. Sunset event. In the backyard of this beautiful home. All super, everything you can imagine. Like supercars. Even a new Lotus. Oh, look at that. That's sexy. That is a beautiful car. It's the owner right here. Sick. You guys probably seen this car on the internet. NSX. What's up, fellas? All right. AMGs. You know, this is where I came from. AMG, gang, gang, gang. Let's go. Got the BMW M3. Got the Rabbit. And many, many more. And that's right here.
Ready for the back kick? Ready to back kick? Back kick it, kick back it? Back kick it.
This is a neighbor's car of mine. I love the 720S. Sick, man. Look at this.
It's gotta be wrapped.
Perfection.
It is wrapped. It's wrapped.
It's one of the most nicest. Everything is carbon fiber. This thing is just gorgeous. It's my neighbor's car, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice.
This thing is sick.
It's immaculate.
Yeah. That thing is absolutely beautiful. There's another one over here. Oh yeah. Take them both. Look at that spoiler on the back. Imagine that thing just pop pop, pop, pop. In the back, you know. It's beautiful. It's nice.